Man, I wish I could, like, I wish this was real life. I wish I could do this. You know, I wish my videos looked like this. But I can with a GoPro camera, a selfie stick, and a couple of suction cups. I think we can do this. All right, we're out here with Project Red 6, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is, my car is semi-clean, but I don't wanna lose $700 worth of stuff. So, we're just gonna make sure that where we expect to mount, we're just gonna get whatever dirt, debris. We want fresh glass and paint. Next, we're gonna talk about mounting position. So I choose to go for the 2-for-1 style, especially with the triple cup mount. Basically, since I'm gonna be mostly going forward with high speeds, that means that the weight is gonna be pushing to the back. So I want 2 cups in the back, 1 cup in the front. And then you can just, with the one that I got, I can angle the selfie stick whichever way I want. So I wanna have the stick angled this way, but I want the mounting position to be 2 cups in the back, 1 cup in the front. There's the finished product. All right, next we're gonna, so basically, like I said, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. I chose to go all glass, and now I need to just attach the selfie stick. And if you don't believe that this is super tight, it's really tight. Now here's with everything fully installed. I only have it to 1 extension because I'm actually not gonna be able to back out with it going too much farther, but it's pretty solid in there. So this part is crazy. I'm in the car right now, and it's using the iPhone's accelerometer to kind of actually control 360 view on the camera right now. Like, look at my 2 cars. Oh, you see it? You see it? You see it. So that's cool. All right, so right now before I ride, this is that moment where you're like, Lord Jesus, I hope everything was secured and put on right. And I hope this video produces good results, and then I hope you guys can do the same when you try it out. So it's still working as a 360 camera, but look at that angle. It was much higher before I left. So I gotta tighten that guy a little bit more to make sure that we don't have this happen again. But it survived the first ride. I was more worried about this thing falling off altogether, let alone, oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's, so it's still holding it, right? Like to the hand, this is fine. But under speed, the camera was probably just getting pushed down little by little by little. And you don't know because it's a 360 camera, right? So like, it's still gonna look the same because you can do all of this. Well, I'm back home, we're all finished. That was a great ride. I gotta say, it stood the test. I took it to decently high speeds. I haven't done any illegal street racing or anything like that, so here we're in the GoPro app. Look at this. Adjust the clip, even on a freeze frame. It handles all the image stitching for you, and you can just zoom it. This is, I was middle mouse wheeling to see if it would zoom, and this shit zooms too. This is crazy. I'm losing my shit over this. I love it. I'm about to make a Busta Rhymes video. It was really cool. I had a lot of fun. People seemed to like it. A couple people could tell it was a camera, I think, you know, and so, you know, they were hamming up, having a good time. It was great to just be able to tap and then turn on the cameras. I actually think I might do a whole car rig GoPro setup now, where from my phone I can just capture some really cool moments while I'm out for drives, because they happen all the time. There's a lot of Teslas where I live, and a lot of them for some reason like to pick on cars like mine. You know, because I guess they think I'm arrogant, that like, oh, this guy thinks his car is fast, let me show him what my car is. Well, they're damn right that I'm arrogant. I love my car, but I didn't buy it for them. I bought it for me. So yeah, guys, link in the description for everything that I used. This video is pretty much over, but you know I got to do this. If you like what you see and you want to stick around, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This is Larry. I run the channel Red 6. Red 6 is the car. That's it. Peace.